Hi dear students, a lot of students have asked me to create a small video on the online test series and what all is available in the DAMS online test series. So this is how the online test series would look like when you download the eMedicos app and you go to the courses. And you can see for yourself, you will see two columns in the online test series, a grand test series, a subject-wise test series. And a lot of students have asked me how and what are the features of this test series. And so I thought I'll begin by telling you about the grand tests. Now, what are DAMS grand tests? Let's understand this and understand this from the perspective of the history behind it. That we've been doing these grand tests for last 2 decades now. And earlier in the previous era, the grand tests were done on a paper, and in each center we were sending the paper-based booklets, and it was being conducted in 250 centers across the country. And students would give the OMR sheet, and then it came back to DAMS, and the All India ranking was created, and that was the era before. Now in the digital era, now these grand tests, those same quality, high quality grand tests are now available on eMedicos app. So how does they work and what are the features? Now our goal in our grand test is to create every test to be a simulation of the new pattern of the exam. Each grand test is simulated in a way, in the similar way of the NEET PG exam, with part A, part B, part C, just like you have in the real exam, with 300 questions, with the subject-wise distribution similar to what you see in the real exam. And today, in this year, we have increased the number of grand tests. So students who were with us in the last year, they had around 12 grand tests. And this year, we have increased this to 30 grand test access to our students. And not only that, these grand tests, they come with video solution. At the end of each grand test, you have a detailed analysis where you can see how you have performed and how others have performed and what is your subject-wise breakup. Not only that, you also have a video solution on each subject with the grand test. And we are the only ones who's offering it today, and we were the first one to actually create such a program where a test is followed by solution. And if I go back into the history, earlier we were doing it, physically, then we created the online platform. So now we have those video solution for our online test series subscribers as well. And the questions that we are giving you, I want you to see an example of the question. See, the length of the question is like a clinical vignette with a visual, and they're all in the new style of the exam. And most of the questions are having an integrated approach, a clinical approach, which was there in the NEET PG 2020, and which was the most important change that happened in NEET PG 2020. And we are already working on the how the things would change when the next comes. So all this hard work that is going on at the background is reflecting in the test series also. Let me show you an example of how a video discussion of grand test looks like.
Lung volume at the end of maximum inspiration is which of the following? Now, when I say maximum inspiration, for example, if this is the tidal volume, which is taking place, this is tidal volume, right? And what is tidal volume? The volume of air inspired or expired during a normal quiet respiration. Now, if the person breathes maximally, inflates his lungs maximally, this lung volume is known as the total lung capacity. And from total lung capacity, if I ask him to do a maximum expiration, he now breathes out his vital capacity or the forced vital capacity. And the volume of air which remains in the lungs at the end of a maximum expiration is known as the residual volume. So what is the lung volume at the end of maximum inspiration? When the lung is expanded to the maximum capacity, that is going to be the total lung capacity.
Not only that, these grand tests, this online test series has not only grand test, it also comes up with 20 plus subject-wise tests. Now these subject-wise tests, this is how they would look like. Each one of them has 200 questions, and they are supposed to represent the entire subject in one test. And these tests are specifically created by faculty members to give rapid revision of a subject to the student. And plus they also come with video solutions. So there is a video solution to the SWT also, and let me show you an example of a SWT video solution.
Rave party drug are gamma hexene butyrate, flunitrazepam, ketamine, LSD, and amphetamine, that is MDMA. Answer is this. Rave party drugs are nowadays called as club drugs.
These questions are hand-picked by the faculty members, and this is how SWT would look like. This is an example of a radiology SWT where I have taken a question, a visual, and an analysis. You have explanations as well as video solutions by the faculty. It's like in radiology, there will be a video quickly explaining the question and the choices to you from my side to the students. And you get to compete with the all India level because being the oldest and the largest institute for PG entrance, you have the ability to compete with the best of the best students from across the country in these tests. And you can follow up and make your own graphs. I strongly recommend all our students to make a graph of each grand test, that how many right you were doing in this grand test, and so that you can improve gradually to the next grand test and keep improving. And you have to do the analysis of what subject in the grand test are you weakest at. You have to find out your bottom three subjects, so that when you analyze, you are able to find out what is it I am not good at. And this is the, in summary, the online test series, the probably the most comprehensive online test series with video solution available for NEET PG and AIIMS and Central Institute's PG entrance exam today. I wish you all the best.